A very good morning, children. This is NSVP Purnima, your social sciences teacher. Welcome to our new lesson, Lesson 3, Celebrating Our Diversity, Video 1, Part 1. What is diversity, children? Diversity means having difference in state, culture, tradition, food, religion, etc. India is a land of diverse cultures and traditions. But all of us are always united because we are all Indians. Having a rich cultural heritage, we have to appreciate it in the form of celebrating our diversity. Let us dive into the lesson to see how one of our DAV schools has celebrated this event. The entire DAV school was beautifully decorated with flags, streamers, flowers, and rangoli, means floral art. Already you learned in lesson 1 in class 3 about this rangoli. And the school band was playing a welcome tune. The atmosphere was filled with fun and gaiety. And what is happening, children? It is very similar to the celebrations we do in our school, like inter-house competitions, group dance, group song, sports and games. For encouragement, winning team will be awarded with memento and trophy. Isn't it, children? Do you remember? Yes. The event starts with the head boy and head girl of the school welcoming the chief guest. Do you remember what happens next? Yes. Our principal sir and the chief guest would light the lamp and start the celebrations. As the theme for the celebrations is the Indian culture. Principal sir provided his valuable words in the form of a speech to his beloved students. Do you know, children? Our school has got all the students divided into 4 houses. You know the houses names, no? What are the houses names, children? Which are Bhagat, Patel, Subhash and Tilak. Similarly, in that DIV school, there are 6 houses, namely Hansraj, Dayanand, Vivekanand, Gandhi, Sarojini and Nehru. See, children, these are the 6 houses in the DIV school. And some of the students from their respective houses have chosen most celebrated festivals to present at the event for this purpose. They have worked very hard to prepare the poster, stage properties, scripts and costumes for each presentation. For the preparation of scripts, they have taken the help of various knowledge providing sources like internet, library, teachers and their parents. Now, the first house. What is the first house, children? Yes, the first house is Hansraj's house. Hansraj's house is coming to present us what they are going to present, you know, children. How Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated. Let us see. Ganesh Chaturthi by Hansraj's house. Yes. Do you know about Ganesh Chaturthi, children? Ganesh Chaturthi is the Hindu festival held on the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha. Who is Lord Ganesha, children? He is the son of Shiva and Parvati. And Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated all over India. The festival is held on Shukla Chaturthi in the Hindu month of Bhadrapada. It is celebrated widely in Maharashtra. On this occasion, women make special modaks which are loved by Lord Ganesha. Ganesh Chaturthi is also called as Vinayaka Chaturthi, and it is a pure Hindu festival. During this festival, people pray Lord Ganesha with great devotion. It's a 10 days festival. In this occasion, people keep Ganesha clay idol privately in homes or publicly on big pandals. What is a pandal, children? You can see here the pandal. Pandal means a temporary stage. Why should we use clay idols, children? Because clay idols will easily dissolve in water as they are made up of mud, which is environment friendly and will not cause water pollution and also more traditional. We should immerse only the clay idols in water and not the idols made of hazardous means dangerous materials like plaster of Paris and other harmful chemicals. Idols made of clay will not use any dyes or colors. And Ganesh Chaturthi or Vinayak Chaturthi is dedicated to the birth of Lord Ganesh. And he is the god of good beginning, knowledge, success, wisdom, and remover of obstacles. And this festival is celebrated in the month of August or September. And the images were taken home, worshipped with kumkum, flowers, fruits, and sweets. And Ganesh Chaturthi starts with Vedic prayers, Vrata, offering of prasada after the prayer, sweets, modak. Modak means it is believed to be the favorite sweet of Ganesh. And the festival starts on the fourth day of Hindu month Bhadrapada, which normally falls in the month of August or September. The Ganesh Chaturthi ends on the 10th day. Children, generally in our Hindu tradition, all other gods and goddesses like Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, Goddess Durga, Goddess Lakshmi are worshipped with different types of flowers and decorated with garlands. But only Lord Ganesh is being worshipped with 21 different kinds of leaves. Lord Ganesh is believed to be the god who removes obstacles. So, for all events and pujas, we always worship him first. Like, we worship him chanting the slokas. Like, do you know what is that sloka, children? Every time, every day before prayer, everyone we will chant this sloka or mantra. शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. All you know this mantra, no children? From the childhood, you are chanting this mantra, isn't it? And another mantra is also there. This mantra maybe you don't know, but I will chant. Just you listen. Gananam tva ganapati gumhavamahe कविं कवीनामुपमस्रवसवं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन् नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्. Now I would like to show you some of the famous Ganapati idols from different places of our country. All these idols are placed in pandals 9 to 21 days and worshipped with devotion. The speciality of these idols is that they are very big, that is around 60 feet in height. So, people from many parts of the country visit these pandals where the festival is celebrated in the form of traditional events, cultural programs like dance competitions, singing competitions and bhajans And most exciting part is auction of the Laddu Prasad. Ganesh Chaturthi is so much fun, children. The images were taken out in a procession for Visarjan. Visarjan means immersion into a river or sea after a few days. The children chanted Ganapati Bappa Moraya, Pudcha Varshi Laukaraya means, "Oh Father Ganapati, come again soon next year." He is believed to go back to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. So, how was the lesson, children? It's very interesting, no? Now I think learned about Ganesh Chaturthi very well. Children, do you know who is he? The great freedom fighter Lokamanya Bala Gangadhar Tilak. He was born in Ratnagiri of Maharashtra. He is a teacher, scholar, mathematician, philosopher, and independence activist. Independence activist means he fought with the Britishers for the independence of India. He made Ganesh Utsav a public celebration by inculcating a pride for Indian culture, music, poetry, and dance. Children, in this session, we have learned about celebrating our diversity in the form of various festivals as depicted by the students of DAV Public School, in which Hansraj House presented about most celebrated festival Ganesh Chaturthi. Now follow the assignment, children. Which house presented about Ganesh Chaturthi? In which month Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated? What is the theme of inter-house celebration? Thank you, children. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.